Hello student, today we are going to learn NCERT example problem. It's 3.9 physics class 11. Okay, it's a book back problem. It's from 3rd chapter 9th problem. Okay, so there are two places here. First we'll see what is given in the question. Two cities there, city 1 and city 2. Okay, A to B will take it. The bus is moving. The boy is moving in by the bicycle. So boy is moving by bicycle. Okay, so when the boy is moving, bus, okay, every 18 minutes, he can see the bus in the same direction. Okay, then when the bus is coming opposite side, okay, when the bus is coming opposite side, every 6 minutes he is seeing the bus. Okay, I'll repeat again. There are two cities is there, bus is moving here and there. Okay, so when the bus is moving same direction, every 18 minutes he can see the bus. Okay, when the bus is coming opposite direction, every 6 minutes he can see the bus. Okay, that is the thing. Same direction, time period is, it is 18 minute. Opposite direction, it's going to be 6 minute. Okay, that's what is given in the question. Okay, the velocity of the bicycle is 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. This concept will come under the relative velocity. Okay, same direction means you have to add the you have to subtract the velocity. Opposite direction means you should add the velocity. Okay, so I am taken capital V is the velocity of the bus. Okay, and 20 kilometer per hour velocity of the cycle, velocity of the bus, velocity of the cycle. Okay, same direction you have to subtract, opposite direction you should add. That is a relative velocity concept. Okay, first cycle velocity is given as a 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, cycle velocity is given. Now velocity of the bus with respect to the cycle, same direction will take it, v minus 20. Okay, why v minus 20? Because it's same direction. Okay, now velocity of the bus with respect to the cycle, v plus 20. Why v plus 20? Because it is opposite direction. Already I said opposite direction you should add the velocity, same direction you should subtract the velocity. Okay, now the question is, what is the velocity of the bus? What is the displacement of the time period will be taken by the bus? Okay, there are two questions is asked. What is the velocity of the bus? What is the time period of the bus is taken? Okay, now first it is the same direction. Okay, so same direction, velocity is this much, same direction means 18 minutes we are able to see the bus. 18 minutes, how many hour? So 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, 1 minute is 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, 1 minute is how many hour? So divided by 60. Okay, 1 divided by 60, it's going to be conversion of minute to the hour. Okay, so 18 minutes, how many hour? 18 minute is going to be 18 divided by 60 hour. Okay, if you want to convert minute to the hour, 1 divided by 60 you should do. Okay, now time period I know, or relatively bus and cycle. Okay, when it's going same direction, I know velocity, it's the velocity of bus with respect to the cycle, same direction, v minus, it's 20. Okay, now displacement covered by the bus. Okay, displacement covered by the bus, so that's a thing I am going to find. Displacement covered by the bus. So displacement covered by the bus, displacement is equal to velocity into time period. What is velocity? V minus 20. What is the time period? 18 minus 60, because we converted into the hour, because velocity we have 20 kilometer per hour, so definitely minute to hour we should convert. Okay, this is a displacement of the bus. Okay, displacement of the bus when it is moving in a same direction. Okay, now total displacement of the bus is equal to velocity into time period. Like this also we can take it. Time period usually we are going to take it in hour, so divided by 60. Okay, it's very simple. So capital V is for the velocity of the bus and capital T is the time period of the bus. Velocity into time period will be displacement. So displacement of the bus is representing this one. Okay, so Vt divided by 60 is equal to V minus 20, 18 divided by 60. This is equation 1, it's moving in the same direction. Okay, same equation if you want opposite direction, the car it's moving in opposite direction. What is the velocity when the moving its opposite direction? So opposite direction you should add v into t divided by 60. 60 is for conversion from minute to the hour. Okay, v divided by 20, 18 divided by 60. Okay, equation 2. Equation 2 you have to take it as a plus. Equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal, both is representing displacement covered by the bus. Okay, the time period is constant, the timing a to b displacement and time is constant. Okay, so you can equal this to v minus 20. So sorry, it is coming back opposite direction only 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes if you are converting as hour, 6 divided by 60. Same equation here you should change, plus 18 it become 6. Opposite direction 6 minutes only is taken. Okay. So when we are equaling equation 2 and equation 1, so v minus 20, 18 divided by 60, v plus 20, 6 by 60. Okay, 60 60 get cancelled, 60 60 get cancelled. Okay, now we will see what we are going to get. So we are going to get, so 60 60 get cancelled, 6 and 8 18 you can bring this side. Okay, so it's going to be 3 times, so 3v minus cross multiplication only. Okay, 3v minus it is going to be 60 is equal to v plus 20. So v you can bring this side, 60 you can bring this side. So we will get the answer as a, so next page I will do what is the answer. Minus 60 will become as a plus 60. Okay, when we are taken from left side to right side, it become as a plus 60. 3v minus v 20 plus 60, which is going to be 80. So 80. So this is going to be 2v. So v is equal to 80 divided by 2, which is going to be the 40. So 40 meter per second, 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, sorry, kilometer per hour, because the problem we are taken kilometer. Now I got what is the velocity. Okay, we know two equation. Okay, if you are substituting this velocity any one of the equation, you can get the time period. Okay, I am going to take it as this equation, v into t divided by 60 is equal to v plus 20, 6 divided by 60. I am taking equation number 2. Okay, second equation. Second equation is representing, indicating as a opposite direction. Bus is moving as a opposite direction. Okay, when bus is moving opposite direction, like this we have the equation. Okay, now v value 40 I substituted, 40 times of t divided by 60 is equal to v plus 20, okay, into 6 by 60. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, 60 60 get cancelled, our conversion is getting went off. Okay, so there is no conversion now. Okay, time period whatever you are going to get, that's going to be in a minute. Okay, so I'll tell you one more logic also. So v is 40, 40 plus 20 we have 60, 40 plus 20 we have 60. Okay, 60 into 6, 60 into 6, 360. Okay, 360. So this side 40 times of t is equal to 360 divided by 40. 0 0 get cancelled, this is going to be 9. Okay, it's not going to be 9 hour, it's too long. Okay, and it's also it's not going to be 9 second, definitely it's going to be 9 minute. Okay, one more thing, the problem is given in a minute, 60 60 is cancelled, the hour conversion is getting cancelled, so answer going to be a 9 minute. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want more video, go and see in my playlist. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you everyone.